Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us some secret passive income that will make your financial status change in 2024. And this passive income that I'm going to be reviewing very soon, you don't need any write-up, you don't need any experience. All you need is your phone or your laptop, and you follow the procedures from what I'm going to be giving us today in this video. You watch to the end, and I'm going to be giving us some steps to follow so that you can scale your business in 2024. So without any further ado, let's dive straight to the main topic for today. Thank you. Once again, in this video, you don't need writing, you don't need to have any experience. All you need to do is to sign up to the link I'm going to be introducing to you, and you need Canva to design also. And also, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip that I'm going to be showing you how to sell this product so that you can scale your business in 2024. Okay, so now I'm going to be reviewing the product right now, and it's called the PLR. What is PLR? PLR is private labeling right. This product I'm going to be showing us is a passive income. You can recreate it, you can use it, and you can make sales with it. And you can also give it out for free. Okay, so the choice is yours. So now I'm going to be giving us the full definition of PLR. Stands for private label rights. Info products sold with this intellectual product license can be altered, customized, and resold. Buyers have the right not only to use, but to make the products their own and resell it under their own name. So there are some questions you might be asking. Can you make money from PLR? Right? Selling PLR products can be a lucrative way of making money on ST or through social media marketing. Make sure you purchase high quality PLR and make it your own to increase your chances of making sales. Okay, so PLR is basically you're not even creating your ebook. These books or these ebooks have already been done. All you just need to do is you purchase it for a token, and I'm going to be showing you some free ebooks that you can also use that you can make sales with it. Okay, number two is you pick a niche. Okay, you have to choose the niche that relates to what you like, your passion, and all that. Okay, so when you come to the marketplace, we have series of stuff you can pick products on, your ebook on, and you you can you can make sales with all this. Okay, we have business, we have animal, we have affiliate marketing. You just have to pick a niche: entertainment, food and cooking. Those of us doing food and cooking, we have health, we have just search what connects to what you do, and you purchase one of the products. And for you to purchase it, you would need access to this PLR database.net. You would need $10. You can sign up for free. You can sign up for the premium plus or the premium plus plus. But I would advise you to sign up for the premium plus. If you sign up for the premium plus, you can download unlimited downloads. You get full license, classes and lessons, forums, and profile, exclusive products, platinum products, premium academic articles. Okay, and you just sign up for it. But for you to start with the free one, they are just free downloads that you can give out for free. You can't sell most of these free products. Okay, but for the premium, you can actually sell them with your price. You just sign up with $10 and you get an ebook from them. You get the license, because if you purchase in $10, you get the full license. You can decide to sell this in with you can decide to sell $20, $25, and you're going to still make your money. You can decide to sell the any amount you want, and I'm going to be giving you some tricks that you're going to be using to sell at the end of this video. So please watch to the end, like this video, subscribe, and share out this video. Okay, so now we'll go back to our PLR platform. This is the marketplace. This is the free products. Yeah, these are our free ebook. So you can decide to choose any of these free ebooks if you want. And for example, I'm going to pick one now, but it's not going to be free. I'll be showing an example of one that is not free. I'm coming back here soon. So now let's go back to marketplace, and I'm going to click on maybe business. Okay, and as you can see, we have some even comes with CDs. And can you see the way it is? You get your designs. Some comes with CDs, and it's very good. Can you see? So I'm going to pick one of these, And I'm going to be showing you an example of what I'm talking about. And as an example, let's choose this. So I'm going to pick this, taking your YouTube to the next level. As you can see, it's already written here that master resell rights, products, PDF, text, PNG, then sales tools. You can sell it, and it's written yes here. And this is all you're going to be getting for this package. Okay. And if I download, it's going to tell me to upgrade. Can you see? It's going to tell me to upgrade to the $10. So you can easily upgrade to the $10 and you download as many niches ebook you want, and you start creating good designs with Canva. I'm going to show you a website where you can actually put this product. You don't need to build, you don't need to pay, it's totally free. Okay, watch to the end and I'm going to show you where you can sell this product. Okay, so now let's check the free versions of this, which I've prepared for us. So there's a particular one that I'm going to be using as an example. Okay, I'm going to be using, since I do online businesses, and I'm going to be using this as an example. You can actually download for free also and give out as free in exchange of your email, to collect emails from your customers, to collect emails from your subscribers or Instagram, because anything can happen to all the social medias. Okay. So if you want me to talk more about email marketing, comment below. So you can easily take any of these of your niche products and give in exchange of them to give you their emails. So this is the products we're going to be using for this example. And as you can see, license, master resell rights, you have the right to resell. PDF, you have sales tools. No, that is, you cannot sell these free products. Okay, and you can customize it your own way. After downloading it, you can decide to add to it. You can subscribe, you can delete, you can add, but make sure that what they are giving you, you understand it before you give it to your audience. Okay, so I've already downloaded this, and I've already downloaded this on my system. So now we'll come to the next stage, which is Canva. Okay, so we designed this in Canva. As you can see, we designed this in Canva, and this is what we're going to be putting or uploading on our store, the store we want to build for free. Okay, so I'm here for you. Copy, drop your comments and tell me, are you gaining from this video? Are you getting values from it? Please do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, share to your loved ones. Okay, let's make this money in 2024. So after designing this, I already downloaded this design already. So now we'll go to my Instagram account. Okay, we'll go to my Instagram account, and I'm going to I'm going to click on my link in bio. If you want to know more about Koji, Koji is a platform where you can sell your digital product for free, and you can create a lot of designs. In short, you can ask questions. People can ask questions in exchange of money. You can sell videos, you can promote. The full videos of this with Koji is going to be linked in my description box. So do not hesitate, okay, and watch it. Sorry. Do not hesitate to watch the video if you want to know more about Koji, and use my link to sign up if you're interested in setting up your store. So now we're going to be setting up my store. So guys, come to my link in bio on Instagram and come and patronize me. I want this to change. I want money to come into this wallet. So come and patronize me. Thank you. So now we come to get started. And as you can see, we have sell digital products. You can sell a lot of things. You can sell a course. You can log audio, sell downloadable files, and we have some other templates here, which I will not be going in depth with it because I have a full video on this Koji. Okay, so watch the full video and let me know what you think about with Koji. So now we want to sell digital products, which is a passive income for us. So now we're going to configure this digital products. We want to configure it to pick your style. I think I like this. So then we'll go to next. We're going to name our store. I'm going to name my store TechwithBunmi. Okay, and banner, let's add a banner to it. Description is optional. So I'm going to add a banner. I already downloaded most of the things I needed. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to click next. Okay, this is my store. and I'm going to publish it. As you can see, transaction fee, keep 95% of purchase, and your money is safe. You can link it to your Stripes account. You can link it to your payment, to your Bitcoin. You can also link it to your PayPal account. So now let's publish. So this is our store details, right? Change the store basic. You just play with it. It's very friendly. It's friendly to use. Okay. So now our store, um, can you see? So we want to add another product. We want to add another image to it. The one I downloaded. I'm going to put this. So if you want something, if you want this, you can just come to my link in bio and download it for free. It's totally free. Okay. So now we'll come to my item. We're going to upload our digital file. Okay. So now we're going to name it learn learn the tricks to making money online. Okay. So description is optional. I'm going to put my banner, my pictures here. I'm going to put these pictures again, and I'm going to click OK. I can add as many pictures that I want. So I'm going to upload my design, my stuff. I downloaded it here. Let's look for it. So I'm going to upload my PDF here, and I'm not it's going to be free, as I said, and I want to collect people's email. So I'm going to put free with email download, then I put save. Okay, I need to put this. I'll be right back. So it's been uploaded. As you can see, it's free with email sign up. So if you need this, come to my Instagram account, TechwithBunmi, and download this to know how to make money online. Okay, then I'm going to save it. So and you can add more items to this. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. See you in my next video. Do not forget to like.
You have the opportunity to boost your presence with a Koji store on your social media channels, generating sales and revenue. I trust you found valuable insights in this video. Always persevere until you reach your goals. Don't hesitate to comment below, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and share the video with your friends and family. Let's achieve financial success together in 2024. Feel free to drop any questions you may have. Until next time, goodbye.